to award Shah Rukh Khan because he's a great artist. He's been carrying the dreams and the hopes of so many people, and through his wonderful work ethic, discipline, he made all the dreams of many, many, many of us come true. We support popular cinema, we love Shah Rukh Khan, and having him here tonight is a dream come true, and these people made a long journey to be here tonight.
We are ready. We can, with great pleasure, award Shah Rukh Khan with the Pardo alla Carriera Ascona Locarno Turismo.
Thank you very much, and this is very heavy. I guess I need to brush up my Italian for people who know Italian here. Signore e signori, buonasera. So very good evening to ladies and gentlemen, and I want to thank you all for welcoming me with such wide arms, wider than the ones I do on screen, to this really pretty, very beautiful, very cultural, very artistic, and extremely hot city of Locarno. So many people stuffed up in a little square and so hot, it's just like being home in India. Well, thank you so much for having me here. It's been a wonderful last 2 evenings, everybody, including Nazaro and everyone. I love you also. All romantic interludes after the serious speech. It's the Locarno Film Festival. We all need to sound intellectual, okay? But they've been wonderful. The food has been nice. My Italian is improving, so has been my cooking. Sapate che so fare la pasta e le pizze. It's to people who don't understand Italian here. Means I can cook pasta and pizza also, and I'm learning here in Locarno. But seriously speaking, I want to thank everyone who's been responsible for getting me here. First and foremost is Jonas Brunswick, the consul general in India from the Switzerland embassy. His brother, who's the director for the Locarno Film Festival, Rafael Brunswick. Then of course there's Jonah Nazaro, who the whole day has been smelling me to find out what perfume I'm wearing. Little inappropriate even now, he went and went. And the incoming President, Maya Hoffman, welcome ma'am, and may you have many more entertaining years here in Locarno. And thank you for having me here. So I truly believe cinema has been the most profound and influential artistic medium of our ages, of our age. I've had the privilege of being part of this for many years, and this journey has taught me a few lessons I'd like to share with you. That art is the act of affirming life above all. It soars beyond every man-made boundary there is, goes into a space of liberation. It need not be political, it need not be polemical, it need not sermonize, it need not intellectualize, it need not moralize. Art and cinema only needs to say what it feels from the heart, to express its own truth. And that to me is the biggest creativity, honestly. And I also believe there is no creativity without love, which is the language which transcends all languages and is comprehended by everyone around the world. So creativity, love, and giving joy, to me is one and same thing. And just like there is no creativity without love, I think there is no excellence without passion and perseverance. It has to be a perpetual struggle, a perpetual run to exceed. And for me, I'm very well aware that art, like cinema, I can only speak about cinema, but art in general does very clearly, very clearly involves the embodiment of all emotions in the world, many facets of life, of one being, one person, one unit of people, it is very difficult to be able to express all those emotions, all those embodiments in one lifetime. For 35 years I've been working, I've been a villain, I've been a champ, I've been a superhero, I've been a zero, I've been a dejected fan, and I've been a very, very resilient lover. And I normally don't go out for occasions like this. I don't know how to relate to people, how to talk to them. I just know how to act a little bit, not too much. But I'm here tonight, and I feel extremely encouraged by the Locarno Film Festival, the 77th edition. I wish you all the best. This award here, which for the life of me I've been trying, I'll ask Sandy again to repeat the name, I can't pronounce.
Este pardo alla carriera of Ascona Locarno Turismo.
Which in English means the Leopard Award for being the most awesome in the world in the history of mankind.
Exactly. That's the translation.
So I accept this award with all humility and kindness and goodness, and with the promise that awards like this encourage me to keep on trying to embody all the facets of life, to embody all the emotions, and to try to give that one more take, one more shot, one more emotion, and hopefully a little bit of love, so that all of you feel a little joyful in a square like this, 8,000 of you watching the next film that you're going to watch tonight. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart and from India. Namaskar and Dhanyavad. And God bless you all. Thank you so much.